Here at Telos Development Company, we develop, build, own, and manage commercial and multifamily projects across the state of Oregon. We've worked with Dalke Construction the last 10 years in projects in Portland, Salem, and Bend. Unlike every other general contractor with whom we've worked in the last 30 years, they're the only company that has consistently put our interests, the interests of the owner, in front of their interests or the interest of the architects. An example of this is a project in Salem where a multifamily high-rise apartment building, the architects incorrectly measured from the stud walls, not including sheetrock. This meant that we were going to be out of compliance with ADA turn radii in the kitchens, and had Dalke Construction not stepped in and brought this to our attention, it would have meant legal issues and substantial additional costs in redesigning and rebuilding these kitchens. We also greatly value the ability of their construction managers to think of the building's function over the long term and initiate changes during construction that save time, money, and future frustrations that are rarely seen in the design phase of a project. An example of this was the specifications for some door hardware at the same building that was not going to work as the building needed it. The construction manager called me, brought me to the site, and explained a better solution at no additional cost. We now start every project with Dalke Construction in the design phase. Their recommendations through the design process save our company time, money, and over the long term frustrations during the ownership and management of the projects. One additional point I'd like to stress is that after the construction is completed, and it may be months or years, there are always issues that emerge. Dalke has always been first in line to accept the responsibility and get whatever shortcomings we have discovered corrected. That means not dealing with the subcontractors. Dalke Construction has served our interests exceptionally well, and they are the first choice we have with general contractors.